Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, January 14th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to go over LiveGood Super Greens. I've been taking this since December 28th of 2022, and I love it. It tastes awesome. Right now, I'm drinking the Super Reds, but later on this evening, I will be drinking the Super Greens. All right, and as you can see right here, it says immune protection, energy and recovery, stress support, digestive health. This product is organic, it's vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free, and I'm just going to show you the supplement facts right here. All right, we have 10 calories in this. We have the LiveGood Greens proprietary blend, which is 5.7 grams. We have organic alfalfa, organic wheatgrass juice powder, organic barley grass juice powder, organic oatgrass juice powder, organic chlorella, organic spirulina, organic matcha green tea, organic moringa leaf, organic aloe vera, organic dulse, organic dandelion leaf, and then LiveGood Superfood Proprietary Blend 615 milligrams includes the KSM66 organic ashwagandha root extract, organic blackberry, organic raspberry, organic strawberry. We have dairy-free yogurt cultures, organic beetroot, organic coconut water powder, and the other ingredients are organic flavor, citric acid, organic stevia, leaf extract, and organic monk fruit extract. This product does contain wheat, okay? That wheat is from the wheatgrass juice, so that's what makes this gluten-free, all right? There's no gluten in wheatgrass juice, in case you're wondering. You can get a 30-day supply of this, if you're a member of LiveGood, for $18. All right, and I'll show you how that compares with other competitors in just a moment. But right here, I'm going to read the description. It says, organic super greens, a safety net for your health. Eating organic, fresh-cut, clean fruits and vegetables keeps our blood pressure normal, our gut functioning as intended, and our brain getting all of the nutrients it needs to carry out those important tasks. Without them, all kinds of health issues can happen, including indigestion, weakened immune system, lack of energy, depression, and even weight gain. LiveGood Organic Super Greens is like a safety net for your health by filling in the nutrient gaps that our diets are not providing us. Since our bodies never stop working, we need to feed them with the most nutrient-packed foods possible, and nothing is more perfectly suited for the job than LiveGood Super Greens. Help improve digestion, support immunity, boost energy, and feel more vibrant with just one delicious scoop each day. And like I said, folks, I've been taking this since December 28th. I have lots of energy. I'm laser focused. And I can just, I know that I'm getting more things done in a day than I was prior to me taking these products, okay? So, again, that's just my experience with this. All the disclaimers are down in the description box below. Now, let's just compare this with other competitors, okay? We got the Organifi Green Juice here that goes for $69.99. We have Athletic Greens that go for $99.99. And just a few weeks ago, I was in my natural health food store, and I saw a similar product to this that was $29.95 or $29.99. It was $30, okay, and it was for a 15-day supply. So you're getting this product right here for $18, and I have it right here to show you that I've been taking it. It is awesome. I love it. You know, you just get you get a scoop with this. All right, looks like that. And what I do is I just put it into a mason jar, or actually I've been using my shaker cup from LiveGood lately. I just put it into that with spring water or distilled water. I never use tap water when I'm drinking things like this. I try to avoid tap water going into my body whenever I can. So you just want to use spring water or distilled water. Mix it up really good, and you know, just drink a cup of that every day. You only have to have 8 ounces of water with it. So again, I love these products. I love this company and everything about it. If you want to learn more about the Super Greens or any of our products, I'll put a link down below where you can shop our store. We also have a business opportunity side to LiveGood where you can earn extra money referring people to the company. If you want to learn more about that, you can click the link in the description box. It'll take you over to my page that looks like this. There's a 5-minute and 55-second video here that goes over the company, the products, how everything works. And if it's something you want to try and take our free tour, you simply put in your first name, your last name, your email, and click reserve my position now. All right, there's no obligation by signing up to take the free tour. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm going to continue taking these products. I'm going to put an order in next week for another round. I got the, I'll show you what I bought. When I first signed up, I ordered the Maximum Energy Pack right here. All right, comes with the organic coffee, the essential aminos, the super reds, and the super greens. You can get all 4 of these products for $69.95 as a member. All right, and you can become a member for only $9.95 a month. You can become an affiliate of LiveGood for a one-time $40 join fee, and then a $9.95 monthly fee. So your initial payment would be $49.95, and then $9.95 each month after that to keep your membership current. You can also pay a year in advance and save 20%. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already, it helps me out a lot, and I do greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions about this, just leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.